House update.
Hello everybody, it's Randy with Jacob's Triangle here with a house update. I said earlier that I probably would do a pretty short house update, and it is going to be pretty short because they didn't actually get out here and do very much. It said that I probably wouldn't do much of a update because they didn't do anything. Well, they had come out here on Thursday and maybe on Friday, and they did actually get some work done, which surprised me. So I'll go ahead and show you what they did. It looks like they've got the footings started for the garage area. I'm standing in the garage, and it's really amazing how small everything looks right now. I extended the length of this garage because I wanted to make sure it was going to be big enough for my truck to fit in. So it's a little bit longer than a standard garage, a little deeper. And it looks so small. And you can see I got some braces in. I got some wind in my face now. I believe last time I showed you this form along here. Get over here. This form along here wasn't in yet. I had showed you, I believe, from down there, and they had it up to the corner. So, and then they got the center form over there. They don't have the forms for the front patio yet. They've got part of the form for the living room bay window. Looks like the boys' bay window is pretty well formed. And the thing that cracks me up about this property, you see it there? I have found more golf balls here. I joked that there must have been a golf ball plantation here before because I find so many golf balls on this property. I think what it is neighbors have been using the property for a driving range. So let's wander on over here. I get over and see if they've got all of the corner of the bay window. No, they don't. Don't have the whole corner of the bay window for the boys' room framed yet. But they're making progress. When I came out here last week to check, and well, I didn't check. When I leave every morning, I look over here and I can see if they're here or not because the gate's open. If they're working. If the gate's not open, that means that they're not here working. Well, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, the gate was not open when I left for work, so that means that they hadn't been out here. So the work that you see that's done, they've just done that Thursday at least, maybe Friday too. And the contractor called and asked me about the vents for the foundation because I'm supposed to get the vents. So I got online Friday and frantically searched and finally found the appropriate vent. So I got them ordered. So the vents will be in next week. So hoping that that's not going to be a holdup for them. Another thing that's going to be happening in the next couple weeks is that the sewer line is going to go across the property, is going to be put in, and when they do that, it's going to tie up the driveway coming into the property, making it very difficult for them to get in here. So that's going to tie things up there too. So I'm going to try to get things coordinated so that the sewer doesn't interfere with the foundation and hopefully get everything done. Still waiting on PG&E. PG&E is slower than cold molasses. I don't know when I'm going to hear from PG&E about when I'm going to get power and gas. They said power is going to take a lot longer than gas, and gas was going to be, I forget how many weeks they told me, 3 or 4 weeks. But I'm not terribly worried about that because I don't really need gas or power until it's time for me to move in, and we have a lot of construction that needs to be done before that happens. So there we go. That's the update for this week. I didn't do it day by day because there just wasn't a lot of progress day by day. Like I say, this probably most of this progress, I got wind in my face again. Most of this progress was probably made on Thursday, maybe Thursday and Friday. So I'll see what happens next week. If you would like to watch the build of this house, I'm going to put my face up here. Click on my face, that'll subscribe you to the channel. Down there, there's a bell down there. Click on the bell, that'll notify you when I submit new videos. And hit the like button down there too. Thumbs up. Let me know that you like the videos. And feel free to leave me comments. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.